Mbica ya nyamu cia gĩthaka cigĩtuĩkania matũũra-inĩ matiganĩte nĩ ya kwĩrahĩra kũrĩ agendi a gũkũ na nja wa bũrũri. No matũũra-inĩ kũrĩa nyamu cia gĩthaka cituĩkanagio ũtukũ na mũthenya gũkoretwo na mogwati kũrĩ aikari, nĩ kwaga kwamũkĩra motungata matiganĩte oro ũndũ ũmwe na wagi wa tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere.
Hapo ndivyo tunakujanga kitu tunaita outreach services kwa mama generally na the entire community, both men and women, community dialogues, sensitizations of matters health.
Motungata mamwe aikari a matũũra maya makoragwo na ũritũ wa kwamũkĩra nĩ motungata ma ũrigitani na wagi wa barabara, thibitarĩ na arigitani ya kũigana, ũndũ ũrĩa ũtigaga aingĩ kũnyamarĩka hĩndĩ ya mĩrimũ.
Kujanga hapa tunapatanga watoto wengi sana ambayo hawangeweza kutembea pale kwa hospitali because of distance and because of financial constraint ya kuchukua motorbike ambayo kutoka hapa mpaka kwa hospitali huwa wanawacharge 400 shilling, and because of lack of that facilitation watoto wana have to miss hiyo opportunity ya kupata chanjo like measles, rubella, and sometimes the community themselves hawana hiyo awareness. They believe that mtoto akidungwa chanjo za miguu wanakuwa fully immunized, which is not the right way. So that is a initiative ambayo tunachukua kama ofisa wa serikali.
Ndagĩtarĩ ũmwe ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na thirikari ya kaunti ya Narok na gĩkundi gĩa kũramata marĩa matũrigicĩirie WWF Kenya nĩ yũkĩte motungata ma mwanya ma gũcerera na kũrigita arũaru mĩciĩ-inĩ kwao, kũmathara kumana na tharĩkĩra cia nyamu cia gĩthaka rĩrĩa marũara.
Especially hapa kwa ground tunakuanga na the community health volunteers. Through the community health volunteers tuna integrate outreach services ambayo tunakujanga mop up ya defaulters wa immunization kwa watoto, family planning awareness and general health talks among other like hygienic kwa mama, ndio tunaita preventive services.
Joel Siroro, ndagĩtarĩ kuma thibitarĩ-inĩ ũyũ, oigĩte wagi wa thibitarĩ na arigitani a kũigana gũtigĩte aikari aingĩ kwaga gwĩkinyia thibitarĩ-inĩ rĩrĩa marũara.
Also discourage other activities like home delivery kwa mama kwa sababu wanapitia changamoto kama watoto kuhaga ama the risk behind home delivery because of unskilled trained personnel ambao tunawaita traditional mothers attendants. So mostly tunawaita wale wa mama the traditional mothers attendants pale hospitali, tunawaeducate on the risk behind kusalisha nyumbani and among other even themselves.
Anyitanĩire na manathi a kwĩrutĩra, ndagĩtarĩ Siroro atuĩkanagia ng'ongo na ng'ongo mahinda kwa mahinda gũthiĩ gũtungatĩra aikari mwena ũyũ, mũthenya ũmwe agĩthiĩ nginyagia kilomita 60, na ũmũthĩ tũgacemania nake mũciĩ-inĩ kwa Mary Tompoi.
Alijifungua watoto wawili, they were premature 6 months, and then we had to do a quick referral ambayo tungepata kushukuru mradi wa WWF because if not because of the support of quite a number of equipment in the facility like the incubator, huyo mtoto ange survive kitambo. The ambulance kutoka from Narok County which is a bit 60 kilometers away kufika kwa hospitali to transport those children to the NBU.
Acerete kuhe dawa na kurora mwana ũrĩa wahonokirio nĩ motungata maya thutha wa mamu wao kuheo mahatha ihinda rĩtakinyĩte.
Nilijifungua watoto nikiwa mwezi 6.
Nilabite tesirima labaitino kuni,
na walikuwa watoto wadogo sana, nikatumwa Narok kwa incubator.
Amute naba rongo ilale rubugo.
Ndio nilijifungua hapa Ngwelale Health Center.
Ne Narok.
Nikatumwa Narok.
Nigibigi labaitino kuni.
Tukapelekwa na ambulance nikakaa mwezi 3.
Gĩko gĩa ndagĩtarĩ ũna gwako gwa thibitarĩ ũyũ gũthiĩte na mbere na kũgacĩrithia motungata ma aikari mĩena ĩno, oro ũndũ ũmwe na kũhũrana na mogwati ma gũtũthũka kwa mĩrimũ kuma nyamu nginyagia kũrĩ andũ.
Ashibagina na yemi aita grada ladene.
Nafurahia nikiona kijana wangu ndio anacheza.
Egira aigurana mu erol tungani.
Amekuwa kijana mzuri, kijana dume.
Kage enkai akaide maisha nashe.
Na nashukuru Mungu sana kwa sababu ya hiyo.
Mpaka neweji.
Mpaka mahali amefika. Mnamuona kijana venye anapocheza. Ni furaha yetu kwa sababu umesikia the history yake. He was born a premature. We did a lot of healthcare, growth monitoring, nutritional support pamoja na wazazi wake. Mpaka tunaona he's a very jovial boy about to start school any soon and we're happy for that.
Kameme TV gĩkũhe ũhoro gĩtaũ njeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.